Hi again. This is Dr. Srisha Khanjo, obstetrician, gynecologist, IVF expert at Angels Hope Clinic at Sabanilu Angels Hospital, Saket. I'm here to fulfill my promise, as I said that I will be coming up with my next video on positions of breastfeeding. See, honestly, there is no such right or wrong way to hold and feed the baby. It just depends on your comfort and the comfort of the baby. Your comfort in the sense that you're not having any kind of body pain or backache, and the comfort of the baby is that the baby is easily able to latch to you and take the feed. So there are very many positions which are there, which I will be explaining it to you. Out of which I'm going to name 10 to 12 of them and explain you the most common ones. So the first is cradle hold. Now this cradle hold is the classic breastfeeding position. It is the most comfortable and most commonly used. How do we do it? In this position you hold the baby with its stomach against your body. Basically ये होता है stomach to stomach. Your stomach touches baby's stomach. Then you support the baby with the arm that is on the same side of the breast from which the baby is nursing. अगर आप राइट साइड से बेबी को फीड कर रहे हैं तो आप राइट आर्म में पकड़ेंगे, लेफ्ट साइड से कर रहे हैं तो लेफ्ट आर्म में पकड़ेंगे. Keep the baby's head in line with the rest of the body to avoid straining of neck. As you can see, इस पिक्चर में दिख रहा है the baby's body is in rest. It's like absolutely in rest with the head of the baby. The best way is to use a nursing pillow or an armrest to support your elbow to make this hold more comfortable. आपको पता ही है आजकल ब्रेस्ट फीडिंग चेयर्स आती हैं, ब्रेस्ट फीडिंग पिलोज आते हैं, so you can definitely use them. Now the second position I'll be talking about is cross cradle. Cross cradle position is actually the best position. It is very similar to the cradle position, but इसमें क्या होता है कि if you're feeding from the right breast तो आप left arm में बेबी को पकड़ते हैं, और अगर लेफ्ट ब्रेस्ट से फीड कर रहे हैं तो बेबी को राइट आर्म में पकड़ते हैं. नाउ यू हैव टू होल्ड द बेबी फ्लश अगेंस्ट योर स्टमक, सेम टमी टू टमी, with their back and neck aligned. Reach across the baby's back and support their head with your hand. आपको बेबी के हेड को अपने हाथ से सपोर्ट करना है, जिस साइड से, उस हाथ से जिस साइड से आप बेबी को फीड कर रहे हैं, एंड दूसरा जो आपका हाथ है वो बेबी के बैक पे रहेगा और बेबी के स्पाइन को सपोर्ट करेगा. The third position is laid back or lying position. This position is also known as the biological nursing. बेसिकली ये पोजीशन हम बेबी को तब देते हैं जब बेबी का बर्थ होता है. वी गिव द बेबी टू द मदर ऑन देयर चेस्ट even after cesarean section or normal delivery. So how do we do it when we are at home? You find a comfortable reclining position that supports your head and neck. It could be a chair or could be a bed. Just put a nice pillow at the back कि आपको एक reclining position मिल जाए जैसे reclining chairs पे होती है. Then you position the baby's stomach down on your chest. बेबी का जो टमी है उसको आप अपने चेस्ट पे रखिए with the head at the breast level. बेबी का जो हेड है वो ब्रेस्ट लेवल पे आना चाहिए. Ensure that there is nothing that is covering baby's nose and the neck is not bent. ये दो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट हैं, क्योंकि अगर बेबी की नोज़ कवर हो जाएगी तो बेबी फीड नहीं कर पाएगा, उसको ब्रीदिंग में प्रॉब्लम होगी. एंड एवरी टाइम whenever you feed the baby, please make sure that the baby's neck is well supported. The baby may just find the breast by themselves. ये naturally उनके अंदर टेंडेंसी होती है कि वो अपने आप पोजिशन ढूंढ लेते हैं, ब्रेस्ट को ढूंढ लेते हैं, and they start feeding. The fourth position I'll be talking about is side lying position. This position is very good for patients who've had a surgery and are recovering from it. It is also good for those ladies who are exhausted. Now we've seen that some babies find it easier to breastfeed from the top breast. वो ऊपर से फीड करते हैं, उनको अच्छा लगता है, बट कई बच्चे ऐसे हैं जिनको बेड पे लेट के फीड करना बहुत अच्छा लगता है, एंड दे आर गुड एट इट. सो इसमें हम क्या करते हैं, द बेबी इज़ मेड टू लाई साइड टू साइड. मदर एंड बेबी दोनों एक दूसरे को फेस करते हुए लेटते हैं. देन वी प्लेस द बेबी सो दैट इट्स नोज इज क्लोज टू योर निपल. Once the baby's nose is close to your nipple, the baby will find its own way. But you have to be very careful because this position can be a little risky for your child. The baby can have SIDS, sudden infant death syndrome. So you have to be very careful that you do have to remove all the pillows and blankets which are near the baby. Clutch hold. Clutch hold is basically ideal for patients who are recovering from any abdominal surgeries or who've had pain after childbirth. Many women find help in getting a deeper latch like this. क्लच का मतलब क्या होता है, जो आप छोटा सा एक पर्स हाथ में लेते हैं उसी तरीके से आपको बेबी को हाथ में लेना है. And this position is also very good for twin babies. Now this hold is sometimes also called as a football hold because the woman holds a baby like a football. या फिर simply आप ये सोचिए कि आपने किसी पार्टी में जाते टाइम जब आप क्लच हाथ में पकड़ते हैं तो उसको कैसे पकड़ते हैं. How do we get into this position? You basically place a pillow on one side of your body or both the sides depending on whether you have one baby or you have two babies. The pillow will support the baby's body. Then you hold the baby by its face facing upwards in your arm and their head nearest to your breast. Align the baby's head, neck, and back and support them with your arm and hand. Cradle the baby close to your side with their legs and feet tucked under your arm. So basically आपको breast के साइड में बेबी को पकड़ना है और बेबी को ऐसे ही पकड़ना है जैसे आप अपने हाथ में फुटबॉल या फिर एक क्लच पकड़ते हैं. बट ऑलवेज कीप अ पिलो that will support the baby and it will even support your hand. Have a sitting baby position. Now this sitting baby position is basically for babies who are a little grown up. They are old enough to support their own head. This position works well for breastfeeding on the go. How do we get into this position? You sit in an upright position जैसे आप चौकड़ी मार के नीचे बैठते हैं crossed leg and support the baby to sit. आप भी बैठेंगे, बेबी भी बैठेगा. And the baby will then lean against your bent arm for more support. Support the baby's back and neck until they can sit without any assistance. Ensure the baby's neck and back is straight and aligned and make sure that nothing is covering the baby's nose. So आप बैठे हैं, बेबी बैठा है और दोनों एक दूसरे को हेल्प कर रहे हैं. Now I'll be giving you few tips and tricks about perfect breastfeeding, which I have tried with my angels. I've got 2 little munchkins and I've tried that with them. And trust me, it really works well. See, the most important thing is that do not take it as a burden. Breastfeeding is not a burden. You should be at utmost comfortable level when you are feeding your baby. So for that, you can use pillows, the breastfeeding pillows which are available now. You can even use a rolled up blanket. Then the next thing is that you should create a comfortable environment. You should have a comfortable breastfeeding area. Like I had my room and I had a very comfortable breastfeeding chair wherein I used to have breastfeeding pillows and I used to hold the baby nicely, had a nice environment in the room. And by environment, I mean that I used to put some nice soothing music in the background and then feed the baby. Then the next thing is, whenever you're not feeding the baby, please rest. Don't exert yourself. You should just rest in between. Listen to relaxing music as I've already told you, or you can even sit with your partner or your friends and just talk. The most important thing is before feeding, you should have all the things next to you so that you don't have to run in between. By all the things, I mean to say pillows, your snacks, your drinks, your AC remote, your TV remote, which is very, very important. If you liked my video, please like it, subscribe it and share it. Thank you.